Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video I will be showing you how to create a Smule account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up this Smule application. If you don't have that, you can install that from Google Play Store. Once you install that, open the application and you will land on this page. From here, you can simply log in with your Facebook or your Google or with email as well. Here I will go with email. Now enter your email address. After that, tap on next. Here you have to create a password with minimum of 8 characters and at least one number and one letter. And after that, tap on next again. Now enter your username that you would like to use as your Smule username. By default, you will get one. If you want to change that, you can change as well. Here I will go with this one and then tap on next. Here you can connect your friends from here, or else you can skip this process as well. So tap on skip. Here you can select the genre. If you like pop song, tap on pop, India, Korea, rap, and once it's on, tap on next again. Tap on no thanks. You can skip this process or search for any songs. Here I will skip. And with that, you will have your Smule account. So this is how you can create a new Smule account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.